Hi everyone, my name is Martin Brown and welcome to my course Architecting Cisco Secure Communications. I am a dual CCNP certified network engineer and I currently work for a Tier 1 service provider. In this course, we are going to look at the various types of site-to-site and remote access VPNs that can be configured on Cisco devices and the scenarios in which each type should be used. We then move on to look at some design best practices including high availability and go through the configuration of an active standby ASA-HA pair. Some of the major topics that we will cover include how IPSec version 1 negotiates the IPSec tunnel parameters, why GETVPNs are the most suitable VPN type for use over a private WAN, the differences between IPSec version 1 and IPSec version 2, and how encryption keys are securely exchanged between endpoints. By the end of this course, you should be able to know the benefits of the different VPN types available in iOS and on ASAs and understand the process of how encrypted tunnels are built. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with Cisco iOS-based devices and ASA firewalls in addition to having a firm understanding of NAT, access lists, and routing. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about how to protect your data as it traverses an untrusted or public network with the Architecting Cisco Secure Communications course at Pluralsight.